15 amazing places to visit in Mahabaleshwar. Here is a list of 15 amazing. Ranging from indoor games to outdoor games, this place is the perfect spot for recreation for the entire family. One of the most interesting places in Mahabaleshwar, this wax museum is a must-visit for all the art lovers. Ranging from sculptures to statues, everything here is made of wax. The ultimate destination for all the couples, this beautiful place in the vicinity of Mahabaleshwar offers some amazing views. The sunrise and sunset here are described to be beautiful. Also known as the Blue Valley, this point offers some scintillating views of the entire town. Featuring lush green meadows and rumbling waterfalls, this place is sure to keep you entertained. One of the most sought-after points in Mahabaleshwar, this crest offers breathtaking views from its peak. Established by the well-known king, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, it is a must-visit place for all the history lovers. It has some great stories hidden behind and also offers beautiful panoramic views. This popular tourist site in the outskirts of Mahabaleshwar is a must-visit place in the town. This exciting garden produces fruits that help in the manufacture of the famous Mapro jams, preserves, and syrups. Here is where you need to head to if you want to witness the best sunrise in Mahabaleshwar. This highest point in the town of Mahabaleshwar is known for its scenic views and lush greenery. If you are a sucker for sunsets, then this point in Mahabaleshwar is sure to grab your attention. The sunset at this place looks like it has been taken out of a dream, painting the sky with rich pastel shades amidst beautiful surroundings. One of the most significant pilgrimage sites among the Hindus, this temple is built in pure South Indian architectural style. With many interesting mythologies attached to it, it has a lot to offer for all the tourists. If you are intending to spend some time for yourself, then the Babington Point is an ideal place to do so. It has a quaint setting with lush greenery and beautiful surroundings offering you peace. Built in the most peculiar way possible, this interesting fort is an architectural wonder to witness. It is a perfect place to visit for all the adventure seekers. Located towards the south into the Koyna Valley, these waterfalls are a pure beauty to witness. Surrounded by beautiful lush greenery and amazing weather during the monsoons, it is a must-visit place in the town. With a rock formation that resembles the head of an elephant, this is one of the most sought-after sites in Mahabaleshwar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.